Hey friends! Keep your vehicle's paint looking showroom fresh with these professional-grade clay bars designed to eliminate stubborn, bonded surface contaminants easily. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car clay bars in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Westhorst Car Detailing Clay Bar. This specialized detailing tool is engineered to deliver a silky smooth automotive surface with very little physical effort required from the user. It excels at lifting away oxidation, factory fallout, overspray, and stubborn asphalt residues that standard soaps simply cannot budge. Manufactured from high-quality, kneadable material, this clay remains flexible and reusable, safely trapping grit inside its core to prevent scratching your delicate clear coat. It perfectly preps your lacquer, glass, and chrome for the next steps of waxing or ceramic coating application. By folding the clay frequently to reveal a fresh cleaning side, you ensure your paint stays pristine and shiny. This reliable solution brings professional-level decontamination right to your own driveway for a fraction of the cost. Next up, our second product, the Nuruhang Professional Car Clay Bar. This highly versatile detailing kit features a refined clay composition paired with ultrafine fibers to ensure a soft, safe cleaning experience. Each package contains 4 100G bars, providing a generous supply for multiple full vehicle deep cleans or long-term maintenance. It effectively draws out iron powder, acid rain deposits, and sticky tree sap, leaving your mirrors and bumpers feeling as smooth as glass. The non-streak formula ensures that no fine scratches or marring are left behind on your wheels or chrome surfaces. Simply use plenty of water or lubricant to help the bar glide, then stretch and reform it to maximize its cleaning efficiency. When finished, you can store these bars in plastic wrap to maintain their moisture and effectiveness for future detailing sessions. Coming in at number 3, the Nuruhang 16-piece Car Clay Bars Kit. This comprehensive 16-piece collection is a total detailing powerhouse, featuring 4 clay bars, 10 effervescent lubricant tablets, a spray bottle, and a microfiber towel. The ultrafine fiber clay is designed to glide effortlessly across various surfaces, including carbon fiber, aluminum, and even motorcycle fairings, without causing swirls. It is specifically formulated to restore lost paint gloss by removing embedded road dirt and industrial gum that dulls your car's finish. The included effervescent tablets allow you to mix your own high-slip lubricant, which acts as a protective barrier against surface friction. This all-in-one approach is perfect for enthusiasts who want every single tool necessary to achieve a mirror-like shine in one convenient box. It provides professional-grade results on everything from headlights to tail lights with incredible ease of use. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Chemical Guys Complete Clay System. Recognized globally as a premier all-in-one preparation solution, this kit provides everything needed to achieve a flawless, glass-like finish on your vehicle. The system includes a high-quality clay bar along with their specialized lubricant, an applicator, and a premium microfiber towel for a complete workflow. It is incredibly effective at pulling out deeply embedded brake dust and rail dust, ensuring your sealants bond perfectly to the surface. Using this kit before polishing or waxing significantly extends the life of your paint protection by creating a truly clean foundation. It is safe for use on all exterior surfaces, including plastic trim and paint protection films, making it a versatile choice for any vehicle. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, this system simplifies the decontamination process while delivering exceptional results. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Wontolf Clay Bar and Lubber Synthetic Lubricant Kit. This synthetic lubricant kit offers a fantastic value proposition for car lovers, combining 4 100G clay bars with a full suite of accessories. The kit's standout feature is the 10 effervescent tablets that create a high-performance lubricant to prevent the clay from sticking or marring the paint. These premium clay bars work wonders on headlights, metal accents, and electroplated coatings, removing oxidation and acid rain residue with total precision. By using the clay luber, you significantly prolong the lifespan of each bar, making this a very cost-effective choice for frequent detailers. The included microfiber towel helps you wipe away residue instantly to inspect your work and ensure a contamination-free, glossy surface. It is a must-have set for anyone looking to simplify their car care routine while maintaining a professional, high-end automotive appearance. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.